One answer to the waterproof TV question. The bathroom is so humid. Is the TV moisture? Does the protective cover need to be sealed and the installation will leak? How to troubleshoot heat and heat dissipation on TV. Remote control signal and Wi-Fi signal blocked. Can't hear the sound? Need external audio or speakers? Fogged glass surface 1 Question 1. The bathroom is so humid, there is too much water vapor. The TV waterproof box is sealed. Will the TV tide? Like a watch, it is not afraid of humidity when sealed. The waterproof tank can be completely sealed against water vapor. The moisture-proof powder is placed in a waterproof box. Even if a little water vapor enters, it will absorb immediately to keep the interior dry. There are heat dissipation and ventilation holes on the side of the waterproof box. If you are installing in a bathroom center, you can use waterproof tape to block off the vent holes from the inside of the waterproof box to ensure the entire box is sealed. Waterproof and leak tape, we will send them separately. Please pay attention to check. We will also be equipped with a water-absorbing desiccant. Remember to put it in a waterproof jar before the lid is sealed. 2 Question 2. Will there be a layer of condensed fog on the glass surface? Intersection answer. The TV itself is slightly heated, and the external water vapor evaporates quickly. And the water does not remain on the glass. 3 Problem 3. Need to seal the bath TV protective cover. Do you need to play? Will it leak? Answer. The following positions need to be sealed with glass glue. Note: glass glue is issued with the goods. Location 1, gap between glass and cover pressure plate. Position 2. After the cover is locked at the bottom, the gap between the cover and the wall. 4 Question 4. The bathroom TV shell is made of iron. Will the remote control signal and Wi-Fi signal be blocked? Answer. The front is glass. The signal can penetrate. 5 Question 5. The bathroom TV is sealed in a waterproof box. How to solve the heat dissipation problem? Answer. You can add a fan in the sealed waterproof box and circulate it inside to bring the heat of the TV to the iron shell of the waterproof box. You can add 6 or 8, 12. Watch TV size. If it is an open environment, the space is relatively large, such as a hall or public bathroom, you will not be able to add a fan. If the space is relatively small, and the air is not flowing, it is recommended to add a fan in a sealed waterproof box. The air circulating in the waterproof tank can bring the heat of the TV to the iron shell of the waterproof tank to heat up the heat to avoid the TV from overheating. 6 Question 6. Can the sound of UTV protection box appear? Do I need external audio or speakers? Answer. The sound of the TV's own horn can be displayed from the glass and iron without any external sound. Watch the live video below. 1 Problem 1. The bathroom is so humid, the water vapor is too big. Is the TV waterproof tank sealed? Will the TV get wet? Like a watch. It is not afraid of humidity when sealed. Waterproof. The box can be fully sealed and entered on steam. In a waterproof tank, placing tidal powder, even if diced steam is entered, is instantly dry and protect internal dry. If you install in a bathtub in the center, you can use waterproof tape. The vent holes will be used inside the waterproof case cover to ensure the airtightness of the entire box. Waterproof and leak tape, we will send them separately. Please pay attention to check. We will also be equipped with a water-absorbing desiccant. Before the lid is sealed, remember to put in a waterproof jar. 2 Question 2. Will there be a layer of condensed fog on the glass surface? Intersection answer. The